Hi yogis! Join me in this gentle sunset yoga flow to unwind from the day. You can even do this in your bed right before you go to sleep. So let's start in a cross-legged position and place one foot in front of the other, spinning the inner thighs down. Sit up tall, lengthen the spine, relax the shoulders away from the ears, and then bring your hands in front of your heart in prayer position. Take a deep breath in and out through the nose, centering yourself. Bring your focus on your body and your breath, and feel free to set your intention. Namaste. And we'll be doing a swaying side body stretch. So go ahead, mirror me. Extend your arms out to the sides, fingertips on the floor. And as you inhale, reach the right arm up. As you exhale, dive to your left side. Feel that side body stretch on the right side. As you inhale, come back to center. And as you exhale, sway to the other side. Bring the left arm up and over. Side body stretch. Towards the right, feel the stretch on your left side body. Work with your breath. Inhale, coming back to center. Exhale, side body bend. Make sure when you're in the side body bend that you keep grounding through your sitting bones. Don't let them come off the floor. Keep your chest open and keep going. Follow your breath and your rhythm. And slowly come back to neutral spine, sit up tall. We're going to inhale, reaching the arms up, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, twist and turn your chest to the right side. Bring your left hand down to your right knee, and the right hand comes right behind your right seat. Sit up tall, and maybe gently look over your left shoulder. Keep breathing. I just saw beautiful pelicans flying by. On your next inhale, reach the arms up. Turn your body back to center, and as you exhale, lengthen the spine. Twist your chest to the left. Right hand comes down on your left knee, and the left hand is right behind your left hip on the floor. Sit up tall, lengthen the spine, and gently look over your left shoulder. Deepen your breath in this twist. And slowly as you inhale, coming back to center. Exhale, release the hands down. And slowly we're going into butterfly pose. Bring your foot soles together. You can hold on to the ankles, sitting up tall. Hold it here, open the hips and breathe into your hips. You can keep your hands on your ankles, or to add a chest opener, placing the hands right behind you. Bring your shoulder blades towards each other, open your heart. And then we're going to add a forward fold in butterfly pose. So as we inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky, lengthen the spine, and start folding from the hips as you exhale. Placing the hands down for support. And then walk yourself a little bit further. Work with your breath. Your head comes down last. Hold it here. Keep breathing into your hip flexors. Stay here. We're going to add a side body stretch by walking our hands towards the right side, just a few little steps. And place the left hand on top of the right hand, dropping the head down. Make sure that you're really grounding through your sitting bones to fully benefit from that stretch. Find your breath. And then slowly walk over to your left side. Placing the right hand on top of the left hand, drop the head down. Again, keep rooting down through your sitting bones. Slowly walk your hands back to the midline. And then from there, walk your hands back towards your feet. At the same time, push your upper body up. Keep your chin on your chest. Slowly come to sitting up tall. And then place your hands on the outside of your knees. Push your knees towards each other. Let your arms do the work. And then hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a nice big squeeze. And we're going to slowly lie down on our back, so follow me with your knees up, lengthen the spine, start leaning back, use those abs, roll your spine one vertebra at a time, head comes down last. Go slow and controlled, lying all the way down, keep your head in the center, and then bring your heels closer towards your seat. Knees are up and in line with your hips. Start pressing your hand palms and feet into the floor, so much so that your hips are coming off the floor. Lift your pelvis up towards the sky for bridge pose. One of the benefits of bridge pose is that it helps alleviate stress. It calms the brain and the central nervous system. Slowly on your next exhale, lower down one vertebra at a time. Your buttocks come down last. Start pressing your lower back into the floor, and as you inhale, bring your knees to your chest. Keep the knees bent. You can point the toes or flex the feet. And then with your hands, grab hold of your ankles or lower legs. And then pull your knees down towards the ground, opening up the hips. You can hold on to the ankles, lower legs, or with your index and middle finger, grab hold of your big toes. And then move from side to side, massaging the lower back, opening up the hips, working with your breath. Slowly release the pose and plant your left foot down on the floor. Extend the right leg, hold it with your hands, and gently on the exhales, bring it closer towards your nose. Flex your right foot for a gentle hamstring stretch. And then release, switching sides. Place the right foot on the floor, right knee is up, and slowly as you exhale, extend the left leg closer towards your nose. Hold it with your hands. Keep working with your breath as you're stretching your hamstring, and flex the left foot. Slowly release. Bring your knees to your chest. Cross the right leg over the left. Stack the right knee on top of the left knee. Point the toes to protect the knees, and with your hands grab hold of your ankles or your shins. Gently pull your knees towards you. This is a nice way to stretch the outer hips and the glutes, the piriformis muscle. This is reclined cow face pose. And then slowly switching sides, cross the left leg over the right. Line the knees up. Point the toes, and then with your hands grab hold of your shins or your ankles. And gently pull your knees towards you. Find your breath. Breathe into the stretch. Gently come out of reclined cow face pose. Hug your knees into your chest. Bring your head up, chin to your chest, and hold yourself like this for a second, like you're a basket, and then release. We're going to close our practice with Savasana corpse pose. Lying down on our back, head is in the center, arms along the body with the palms facing up, and let your feet fall to the outside. We're going to stay here for a few minutes, but if you're doing this practice right before you go to bed, feel free to stay here until you fall asleep. Start deepening your breath. As you inhale, notice how your belly rises up towards the sky, and as you exhale, notice how your belly falls down towards the earth. Keep your focus on your breath, keep your focus on your body, and take a moment to notice how your body feels right now after this practice. Corpse pose is a great way to consciously relax our minds and bodies, which is just as important as practicing the poses. Take a moment to remember your intention if you set one for your practice. And also take a moment to thank yourself for doing your yoga practice. Allowing your body to stretch and consciously release any tension. Stay in corpse pose for as long as you like. I'll be here for a few minutes, and you can go ahead and enjoy the ocean sounds. Visualize how the waves wash away everything that happened today. Allowing your body to sink deeper into the earth, softening even more, releasing any tension that's left, so that you peacefully sleep and wake up feeling refreshed.